I've got with me here is the UGREEN HiSense S3 clip-on wireless earbuds. Basically, this is what it looks like. I think you guys already know most of the brands are also having this, but this one particularly is decent one, but at a very cheaper price, right? So let's talk about the casing first. It's a plastic body, of course, feels bulky. The air clip itself is also made out of plastic material. I should say the whole top is made out of rubber for grip purpose, so it doesn't fall down. It holds well in place. It's got no software required to pair to your phone with this earbuds. It works for both Android and iOS. By the way, it's got Bluetooth 5.4 version, so it can connect to two phones at the same time. Now, each earbuds can last up to 7.5 hours of music playback, and charging is 1.5 hours for the earbuds and 2 hours for the case itself. And by the way, it's a Type-C charging at the back side, not at the bottom, right? So the sound quality is quite decent, of course, because it's open earbuds, not looped to the ear canal. It cost about $15, so it's quite cheap compared to other brands, and it comes in 3 colors: purple, black, and white. Now, if you guys are interested into purchasing this, link in the description below. Now, hope you found this video helpful. If you do, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, like many tech products, and catch you guys in the next video.